Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Well, today we are going to test and review the iHood heated jacket. Stay tuned. So this company, iHood, sent me this heated jacket to test and review. So what we're going to first do is the unboxing of it. I am going to do the unboxing of the jacket itself outdoors so you can get more of a visual of it. So the first thing it has is a really nice package that it comes in with the QRC code so you can go to their actual YouTube channel. Comes with the Velcro American flags, which is cool. So it actually has a spot on the jacket where you can put these at. Has a really nice thank you note. It comes with a catalog here that shows you all the different items that they do offer for men and women. Vest, heated jacket, and they also have heated gloves. Comes with a great instruction booklet right here. It looks worse than what it is when I first opened up the jacket and looked at all the different buttons and what they do. The next thing it has is the battery pack. Now, this battery pack is huge. Of course, got to heat up the jacket. So that is the battery pack. I push the button right there, and it says 100%, which means it is fully charged and ready to go. It also comes with the USB for charging. And it has a power adapter. You do want to use this particular power adapter to charge this battery. That is so you don't damage it. So it's just a regular plug in the wall power adapter. So I'm going to go over some key points on the jacket, and then we'll take it outside. I'll put it on so you can see the fit. The fit is great. I thought, it's really hard for me being short to find a jacket that actually fits me right. It's a tad long in the arms, but I'm short, so what can I do about that? But other than that, the fit from the top, your waist, the back, it fits perfectly. I was very surprised. Without trying on some clothes, it's really difficult for me just to order something online. So we'll go out there and we'll try this on. It is 80 degrees, but we won't turn the battery up too high. So the battery is a 12-volt battery. The working time is 3.5 to 12 hours. That's going to be different settings of heat. It is Tsa Friendly, so you can carry it on an airplane. It is UL certified, and it does have 2 USB ports where you could charge other items. So this jacket is waterproof, windproof, and it's also scrape proof. The jacket comes in a really nice padded bag. I requested a larger size so that you'll be able to layer other things underneath it. I think it's a perfect fit, even for us short people. The jacket has multiple zipper pockets. The hood gives you a lot of room where you can put a winter hat on if you want to. You can also cinch it up tighter. This is the pocket where you will keep your battery at. You unzip it, you'll pull out a cord, you take off the cap, and you'll plug your battery in. It is machine washable. That's why you will put the cap back on it. These are your buttons that control the heating zone. Your chest area, your collar area, and your back and waist area. The bottom one is to turn the light switch on and off. A 3-second press to turn it on. Your next button is going to switch the heating area that you have. So we're heating the entire jacket right now. So you can deactivate each section to turn it off to just to heat a particular area. So right now we're heating just the chest. Now we are switching from the high temperature to the medium temperature to the low temperature. Press again to get to the high temperature, and one more time it turns it off. So a couple more things I wanted to add as far as the heating and the run time of each temperature. So if you're heating all areas, that's your chest, waist, back, collar, at high temperature is 3 to 4, medium temperature is 4 to 5, low temperature is 5.5 to 7. If you're heating just your chest and a collar, or your back and your collar, it's 4.5 to 5 on high, 6 to 7 on medium, and 9 to 11 on low. If you're heating only your chest only, or your back and waist only, it's high heating, it's 5.5 to 6.5. Your medium is 7 to 9, and your low is 11 to 13 hours. So my final thoughts on the iHood heated jacket. I can't find anything wrong with it. It's even without the battery, the jacket is extremely warm. If you come from a cold climate like myself, this jacket is phenomenal. When I tested it out at different levels, it's extremely warm on high. Matter of fact, it's a little bit too warm on high. So I put it on medium, and it's actually pretty chilly tonight, so I may try it on the high and just see. You make sure that you do get a bigger size so you're able to layer it underneath. That'll be good. The hood, as you've seen, I didn't cinch it up, but you could put your winter hat in there, and I have like the big fuzzy one, and I have the regular beanie, so that'll work out fine. It's very well made. It comes in a really nice carrying case, and believe it or not, if you just fold it twice, put it in there, it like zips right up. The instructions are very good. It just takes a couple of times when you know which button you're pressing for what area. They say it's waterproof, but they also say during a heavy downpour, make sure you wear some rain gear over it. The battery is kind of heavy. However, when I put it in my pocket and put it on, you really didn't feel the weight. So another pro is that it is machine washable. Just make sure the cap that the battery fits in, that you put the cap back on it. Put it in a laundry bag. Do not dry clean it. Do not put it in the dryer. Just, hang it dry. Cold water. So overall, I think it's a great product. I will put a link in the description where you can get it. And they also are giving me a discount code. So check it out. It's a phenomenal jacket. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Turn the bell on. And I'll see you on my next video. Ciao.